In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find trending keywords in Semrush, step by step 2026. Finding trending keywords helps you catch rising interest early, create relevant content, and prioritize topics that can grow your traffic. We'll keep this simple and practical, using only what you need to move from an idea to a short list of promising terms. First, open the Keyword Magic tool. In Semrush, head to the SEO section and select Keyword Magic tool. This is your starting point for exploring keyword ideas at scale, all in one place, with helpful metrics and an easy way to spot momentum. Next, enter a broad keyword. Think of a general topic that describes your niche, like email marketing, rather than a very specific question. Broad seeds help you uncover more variations and pockets of opportunity. Choose the country that matches your target audience so the data reflects the right market. Then, click Search. If your audience spans multiple regions, repeat this process for each country later so you can compare demand accurately. Now, find trending keywords by looking at the trend column in your results. This visual shows how interest changes over time. An upward trend indicates rising interest and potential growth. A flat trend means the topic is stable and reliable. A downward trend suggests the interest is declining, so approach with caution unless it's vital to your strategy. Keep an eye out for terms that show recent sustained lift rather than one-off spikes. Flat trends are not bad. They can be evergreen workhorses, while upward trends are your growth bets. Use filters to narrow your list to the most viable targets. Start by focusing on high volume to capture terms people actively search for. Then combine that with low keyword difficulty to prioritize options you can realistically rank for. This balance helps you find opportunities that are both in demand and achievable. If you're torn between two terms, favor the one with steadier or rising interest and a difficulty you can compete with. Finally, click a keyword to open the keyword overview. Here, review the trend graph over time for a clearer picture. Look for a consistent upward slope or a stable line with gentle growth. Sharp peaks can mean seasonality, so make sure the baseline is also improving. This quick visual check confirms whether the keyword is truly trending and worth your effort. And that's it. You've learned how to find trending keywords in Semrush by starting broad, scanning the trend column, filtering for volume and difficulty, and validating the trend in Keyword Overview. Now you're ready to build smarter content plans around what's rising right now.